We kind of like envision the staircase just continuing endlessly upwards and downwards to the core of the Earth and upwards towards space, maybe in this case stopping in Moon, in Mare Tranquillitatis. The earliest known fossilized life on Earth are stromatolites, which are like 3.43 billion years old, and we found these samples. So that created the core pairing, which is the center of the constellation of the whole work. Fossil reminder of the earliest life on Earth, and then the Sea of Tranquillity. So whenever stepping on concrete, which has a sample, you kind of like step also between the ideas and between the ages of man and between the ages of planet.